Hello once again from this wild rocky beach close to Torpesand Strand in the Björnö Nature Reserve in Värmdö. It is 30th of July 2024 and I am giving you one more episode from this beautiful piece of nature out on the Baltic Sea. Now I'm on the other side of the rocky cliff here at the end, and it looks absolutely stunning indeed. So I was earlier today at Torpesand Strand and it was so crowded with so many people on the sandy beach. It is a nice beach to be fair, but if you want peace and quiet you can come here to these beautiful rocks here in the nature reserve. And the water is also much better and much cleaner here, as it is out on the open sea, and it is deeper actually. It's quite perfect indeed. And there are some waves coming in from the boats here that are enjoying the day out on the sea. So yes, 30th of July 2024, we have 24 degrees Celsius in the air and 17 degrees Celsius in the sea. And I can spot on the other side that there are one beautiful house actually that has some detached houses around, and they have also a slideway, children's slideway that you can slide into the sea. How cool is that? I would like to own one of that piece. And they have also beach volleyball court. What? A house with beach volleyball court? Now that's new, but amazing indeed. All right, then let's get ready for a swim here in the Baltic Sea and enjoy this beautiful day, 30th of July. I can't believe we are saying goodbye to July tomorrow, and despite July starting off quite cold and rainy, the last few days have been awesome and amazing to enjoy the beautiful long summer days in Stockholm. Alrighty then, I am eager to take a swim so much, so let's get going. Amazing. And there are several islands here, as we are on the open sea in the archipelago of Stockholm with thousands of different islands. Okay, another episode from this wild rocky beach here in Björnö Nature Reserve. So let's then go and enjoy. Woo! It's so amazing. It's absolutely fantastic. The sun is up. The sea is amazing despite being 17 degrees. To be fair, it's 3 degrees warmer than yesterday when it was just 14. So it's amazing. You can here find your own inner peace in this beautiful nature reserve. And you're maybe wondering how to get here by public transport in Stockholm. So if you don't have a car, I have some good news. There are frequent buses from Slussen that go every half an hour to 1 hour depending on the time of the day, and the journey takes between 35 and 50 minutes, depends on which bus you take and the route, but quite convenient. And you are then out on the open sea in my favorite municipality for beaches in Stockholm, that is Värmdö. And funny thing is that I was in Haninge 2 days ago, and there was lots of algae blooming and it was not recommended to take a swim. But here the water is super clear and I didn't see any algae bloom right here. So maybe it is different based on the position of the sea and the depth, I believe. Because here, let me show you, if you go down you can see that it is super clear and clean as well. Let's go. right? Indeed. Amazing. Let me show you more of this beautiful, wild, rocky beach. And on that island that I went on earlier today actually to explore, it's quite nice. Oh, I would love to have a house like that, and facing the sunset as well. Definitely, that's my dream goal in life. Let's see if I'm going to make it. Cool. All right, then it's another swim in the books, another beach adventure on this 30th of July. Beach number 109, which means that we are almost 3 months away now to beat the record from last year. So that means I need to swim every day in August, September and October to beat the record, which is fine, as last year my last beach day was on 1st of December. But last year I was actually traveling a bit more outside of Sweden, so this year I'm in front of the pace from last year, to say the least. Alright, thanks for watching this episode with me from this beautiful rocky wild beach in the nature reserve Björnö in Värmdö, close to Torpesand Strand, and I'm going to see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.